Greetings from Positano, Italy. We are the Hurleys. Funny story about this place, Positano. 5 years ago, we came here on our honeymoon and we were sitting on the beach and we said, in 5 years, if we're still alive and married,
That's a morbid thought.
that we will come back here for our 5-year anniversary, and here we are. But now it's a little bit different because we have our two...
Oh, go to...
You need a toilet?
Go...
You need a poop?
Oh, okay, pause.
So yeah, we are back from a successful poop mission, which was nice. We
And another morning of 500 stairs up.
Another morning of 500 stairs down, up and down to the beach. But we got a lot of sunlight today, which was nice. But to cut a long story short, we told ourselves we were coming back here on our 5-year anniversary, and we are here now, which was it's everything we could have dreamed of.
It's a little bit different with 2 kids. It's a lot, I wouldn't say a lot, but more touristy than it was 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Which is good. It's a curse and a blessing. So Instagram allows us to find places all over the world we wouldn't ordinarily see. However, then it really increases tourism. And so some of the locals had talked about, Airbnb. Between Airbnb and Instagram, they've seen an influx in tourism. And I would say the traffic has doubled.
Yeah.
And we're not even...
Easily doubled.
2 months from now is the peak of tourism season. So, yep, that's our oldest. Screaming.
There's a pool right over there.
We have the whole place to
rooftop
ourselves.
to ourselves,
So
which is
thank
pretty
you, Hotel
amazing.
Posa Posa, for putting up with our children. You've been amazing.
Yes.
And we've had 2 full days of having the entire rooftop pool
Yes.
to ourselves. Nora's literally in her nappy. And yeah, they're fighting. Yeah.
It happens with 2 toddlers, right? So we're just sitting up here. We have the whole place to ourselves. I might illegally be up on a ledge, but it makes for the shot, right?
I know. We gotta get faster.
It's not a bad view we got going on. So yeah, Hotel Posa Posa has been absolutely amazing, and thank you for our kids running around like wildlings.
And Andy just spilled Prosecco all over their floor, and they cleaned it up for us.
They did clean it up and then gave us 2 new glasses, which was nice. But yeah, we went down to Fornillo Beach, I guess they call it, today. Awesome. It has a bunch of beach shacks that you can sit around. You pay for your chairs, and you get a waiter down there to come get you your drinks and your food and things like that. So, but it's a rocky beach, so make sure you wear some sandals when you go down there. It hurts your feet. the atmosphere up here on this roof is just fantastic. I mean, there's just
the
houses
view.
stacked on stacked on stacked.
Lots of cats in this village.
Lots of cats. Lots of cats.
Oh, the donkey. We got to talk about the mules. So
Yeah.
there's been construction that you can hear because it's such an old village, and the houses are stacked upon stacked. I mean, just stacked. Like somebody's roof is somebody else's foundation. But we saw these mules, and we're like, look at these mules. And they had like carrying packs on. Well, they use the mules, so they're doing construction down the hill. So there's like rubble, and the mules are hauling it up all of these stairs and unloading it onto the truck. So the mules have these big packs full of rubble, and then they walk the mule up onto the truck and unload the pack, and out comes the rubble. It was just something like from ancient times. Obviously, they had to have done it back in the day that way, but it was more efficient to do mules than it is. I mean, trucks can't go in these little narrow pathways, so the kids thought it was really, really great, and the owners of the mules let the kids pet them and things like that. So, yeah, it still very much has that old school Italian feel. The lemons this is the lemon capital of the world, the size of Abel's head, and the smell, and you look up in the trees and there's just lemons growing. It's amazing. There's lemon everywhere, limoncello, which we have not had yet this time.
I know, we need to get it.
We need to get some
What are we
limoncello tomorrow. Tomorrow is our actual anniversary, and the reason
What did you get me?
selling point for I got you a trip to Positano. The top selling point for this hotel was that they offer babysitting services. So most of the time when we travel in Europe, it's not that big of a deal for us to have childcare. However, if I'm going to be next to the beach, I will pony up to have somebody at least watch my children for an hour. I can sit in a lounge chair and soak them in the sun. Oh. Wow, that's a really bad angle. So, guys, there's a rooster, and I think it's either really happy or angry, but it's loud, and it's a beach rooster. All you can hear is cock-a-doodle-doo, and it's coming from the cliffside, like a shack in the cliff. It's really kind of cool. Very unexpected. I dig it.
If you're wondering if you should come here with kids or not, I would say come here in May.
There's a lot more kids than there was.
I would say May or June would be the perfect time to come here.
I know that I recall there not being the playground on the beach 5 years ago.
Yeah,
Now, on the main beach there is
by the
literally a
harbor.
playground, and the kids just play and play and play.
Just sitting here,
My
and
eyes are on the kids.
eyes are on the kids,
I'm talking, but
fully focused. Nora's running amok. She's doing snow angels in the sand.
she's
Fantastic.
rolling around like a hog.
It's amazing.
Yeah, definitely come here with kids. The stairs aren't as bad. Yeah, you just deal with it.
The stairs are easier going up with the kids than they are
As
going
long
down.
as you have enough time,
Oddly enough.
they can do it.
Yeah. And yeah, so I'd say May or June is the ideal time to come here. Anything after that is just going to be crazy. And we'll link a bunch of the links that where we ate and things like that, just so you can kind of know your way around and see what we did and all that fun stuff. But other than that, that's really about it. I mean, we love this place.
Still our favorite place on earth.
It is very near and dear to our heart. Just
Every 5 years, it's our place.
I did hear Sarah say that, random people just pick the kids up and give them kisses and rub their heads and things like
the
that.
Italian
And
people.
they're just
So
they're
lovely.
very lovely people, and couldn't be more blessed to be
Food,
here.
The pizza, the food, the wine, everything, the coffee, everything's amazing.
Yes. So that's really about it. Like I said, we'll link everything down below, where we stay, what to do. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll let you know as soon as we can. But we're gonna go enjoy the rest of this now, and yeah, that's it.
Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao bella.
Ciao, Bella. Ciao, bambinos.
Bambinos. What else?
Bambina.
Bambina. What else?
Prego.
Prego, grazie. We're doing a very
Scusi.
big. It's almost laughable at this point how.
Terrible we are.
All right, peace.